grants up to rupees 1.5 crore each to build these prototypes. Some examples of these innovations being high altitude pseudo satellites created by New Space Research and Technology Private Limited and adoptive steel by Hyper Steel Technology. Friends, in the aerospace sector itself, 300 plus startups are currently engaged, and under IDEX, 10 startups have developed the products worth ₹100 crore, which have been displayed in front you in Aero India 21. Today, I am very happy to announce that the 45 MSMEs who have participated in Aero India have already got orders worth ₹203 crore. This is a very heartening news, and I am sure it will grow further in the times to come. Friends, the Startup Manthan is going to provide a unique opportunity for startups to showcase their capabilities, products, and services to the targeted audience of industry leaders and business decision makers. Also, I believe the productive interactions with renowned national and international speakers, mentors, and thought leaders will provide learning opportunities to all those present here. Friends, when we talk about innovators who can be better than a veteran turned into innovator with tons of field experience, IDEX for Fauji is such an initiative which provides opportunities to the members of the Indian Armed Forces to innovate. Their knowledge and first-hand experience provide a good source of feedback and innovative ideas for improving and bringing incremental improvements in existing platforms and equipment. They also provide for futuristic ideas for innovations in defense. There are more than 13 lakh service personnel working in the field and on the borders, handling extreme conditions and equipment. They have many ideas and innovations to improve such equipments. IDEX for Fauji opens up a new window and allows our Faujis to be recognized and rewarded as innovators. Though it has been only 1 year since introduction of IDEX for Fauji, the program is already showing promising results. Innovations done in the field of robotics in maritime applications by Lieutenant Deepak Suman Kumar and wall penetrating radar by Major Anu Mitra are some examples that can I recount. Friends, similarly, IDEX Open Challenge Initiative creates opportunities for innovators to propose ways for harnessing their technological capabilities to strengthen our nation's military capability. Anyone with an idea, technology, or a product that can be used in defense and aerospace can apply under this initiative. Towards this end, I would request all of you to come up with innovative ideas to support IDEX in its efforts to develop a robust startup ecosystem and provide valuable contributions in modernizing our armed forces. There is a huge potential in this sector, and there is a lot more to do. I expect and wish this event becomes a milestone in startup engagement in defense. Once again, I express my sincere gratitude to all of you for promoting startups and innovations in defense, and wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you very much.